Hello guys. This is Raj. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel, The Deals of the Day. We give latest tech news, new launch products and also a best deals for you. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The famous video conferencing app Zoom is not secure. Therefore, take precaution when using it, the Union Home Ministry warned. Also, the Zoom app banned in many countries includes USA. Google also advises their employee not to use this app. That's why many have avoided using the Zoom app. Now the question is, no Zoom app, then which video conferencing app is good, which can make a meeting better? So in this article we will give you 8 alternative app for Zoom, which you can use for video conferencing. And there is secure. And also give link for every app. So let's start for our video. 8. Meet Now. Easy video calling from the Meet Now app in Microsoft Skype. The benefit of this app is people who don't have Skype account, they can also make video calling. It has features like call recording, mute and unmute microphone. You can also use this app for office presentation or meetings. Though, Google Meet. Google Meet was formerly known as Hangouts Meet. It can be attended 49 people at a time. G Suite Enterprise users can meet up to 5 people at a time. Team. Cisco WebEx. In this Cisco WebEx app, video calling can be done up to 100 people at the same time. Its special feature is that you can get unlimited time for video calling. Char. STARLEAF. Video meetings can also be done easily from Starleaf. You can add 20 people at a time for video calling in this app. This app is free of charge. 5. JITSI Meet. Jitsi Meet is an open source project. Maximum 75 people can be video conferencing at a time. Its special feature is that it has the facility to blur the background. It supports Slack, Google Calendar and Office 365. Che, whereby, its special feature is that you do not want to download a new app, or don't want to log in new. Video calling can be done by just typing www.webi.com in your browser. It can accommodate 50 people at a conferencing. 7. Signal. Signal is a secure meeting app. One of the special features of this app is Edward Snowden believes in it. This is a free app. It has scratch, crop, flip and other image editing features. 8. Microsoft Meet. You can meet up with 250 people at a time on Microsoft Meet app. You can also schedule a meeting. Apart from this application, WhatsApp also launched group video calling features now. In this app you can call 4 people at a time for unlimited time. This app good for small family meetup. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.